Hello friends, it is June 1st and Wifey wanted to play this game for the first time because her friend Lance sent her this picture on like a $2 bet or something. So she's like, I want to go find this machine. We're at Durango Casino. Hello to Lance if you're watching. But you inspired Wifey to come play this game. So she wants to do the exact same thing that he was doing. I think it was, the top was Pompeii. What do you do? So
yeah, the dragon.
Oh, okay. Yes, that's right. So Wifey's very smart. And I think the bottom two are Buffalo Gold. So we're dragging Pompeii to the top.
Actually, the bottom right one looks like a wolf.
Yeah, that's Buffalo. Or is it a wolf?
Oh, I think
It's that one. Yes, this one. Okay, so here we are, people. Wifey put in $100 trying to emulate her friend's magic. 220 bets. This is our first time playing this like multi-screen. She's scared, she says. I'm excited, we're all excited. Let's emulate what he did. So, okay. Super free games. This is a fun game. I think I've seen a few people play it on YouTube, so. Oh yeah, let's start it off right, people. So 3 means a bonus. I think either we filled that up or something. So we won 8 free games. On the bottom right, I think it's Buffalo, right? Yeah. So let's see what happens now. Are you ready, Wifey? All right, so free games is popped. Do. Oh Lord, what's happening here? Buffalo, let's go. All right. Now we have a full screen Buffalo. Oh, sunset. Oh, yes, we got Eagles. ×3. This is huge. ×3. This is big right here. ×3. ×2. Okay, that's fine. First spin. What else did we get? Yes. Massive win indeed. Let's go. $1 million. I don't know. It's the first spin though. It looks like $40 at least. Do. Lance, we owe you a drink next time you're in Vegas. You inspired Wifey? Let's try to get that. I don't know how we even got the 13,000. He must have had like endless buffaloes going across the screen for like 10 minutes.
He said he was down to his last $20.
He was down to his last $20. How much had he put in? Wow, that is craziness. But here we go. Okay. Are you ready to push the button for the next game? $55, first spin, we like it. One more Buffalo. So if we get the Buffalo with those sunsets, it's really, really big. No, I think it goes by itself. Oh. Yeah. So if you get 3 of those, it changes all the Eagles. 2 more. We want to get 2 more coins at least, too. Oh. Yes. We'll see if this does anything. That was a good first spin, but are we gonna get buffaloed now? Okay, so we have 3. We have 1 spin. We got 1, but that was the last spin. So we have won 5,500 credits. That was nice. Good first couple spins, right? Up $50 already. Wifey, let us proceed and win many more bonus rounds.
Or was that the first?
That's the trick. Yes, we've said this before. When a machine gives us a bonus right away, is it just to entice you to kind of put out like fishing lure to keep you spinning and lose the rest of your 100, or is it hot?
If it doesn't do anything in the next 40, we'll go to the next.
Okay, I like that. Oh, Wifey's the boss. Oh, did we get it? Because it's usually 3 gives you a bonus, but I think it has to pop them. So it's just kind of like that. It's like our friend Mo Mummy. Do you need anything? Yeah, I want an iced coffee. Yes. Wifey's ordering some drinks. Yes, same thing. Just do it. Thank you so much. Wifey's ordering us some liquid. Oh, pop something. Oh, Buffalo here. We can just look at line hits. That's cool. I forgot the multipliers are out in here too. So pretty much if you get Buffaloes anywhere, because it's real ways, ultra real power. So you don't need to actually line them up. As long as they're in those columns, they count. And then this is when people win huge on Buffalo. Oh, and 10's over there. So that was 650, pretty dang good. Just a random spin.
It's so weird to me.
Yeah, 4 spins. She's used to like, and I am honestly too, like the machines that are like you win a grand jackpot, the ones that we always like get tricked into playing. But Buffalo is why people like it. It's a lower volatility game. But like when you get in the bonus round, it could be very like finicky. You can get like a very weak bonus or a very good bonus. It's all dependent on the luck of the spin, of course. Oh, come on, come on. I don't know how, like some of them are not like triggering a pop or something. Okay, do you guys like this game? Do you like to stick to like just a machine without like 4 things? Oh my goodness, a lot of Buffalo, but none of them are in the same reel. Okay, so like that's 2 of a kind.
Those don't go up because it's not in the same spin.
Yes, I believe. Yeah, I'm not sure why they're not. I'm not sure why these are not like counting towards there. Oh wow, we have this queens. So we have nice work. Yeah, it always has a really. I don't know if anyone's ever played the game Oregon Trail. If you were like a kid of the '80s or whatever, a teacher or something. But like I don't know. It just reminds me of Oregon Trail as like random commentary. Oh, if there was a buffalo there. Okay. See, line hits are way more prevalent. That's for sure. Oh, come on. Oh, I didn't do anything. Okay. Wifey's gonna put in our lucky 98-cent ticket. Extra fuel. And these are the 4 games that we could have picked, but I think she wanted to just copy Lance, so. Oh?
See how come this?
Yeah, maybe it's because they're in a sequential reel next to each other. That's why. Okay. Pompeii. It's a little hot lava. $1 back. Oh, there's ×2 up there, but we like to get the Pompeii bonus too. Okay. You have multiple line hits at once, which is kind of crazy. Okay, 130 back. Another bonus round, please. Oh. See that? Yeah, because they're right next to each other. But we can get all 3 of them. Would be crazy. I wonder if Lance got all 3 of them. You can ask him that. Oh wow, wow, wow! A lot of things happen.
Okay. It doesn't have to be full to pop. Like,
no, I don't think so. See, like this was super free games, and that was free games. We want to see the extreme free games. I don't know if we saw any of the red ones so far. Uh-oh, indeed.
It's doing it.
It's doing what we said, people. It gives you a bonus early on. There's 10s and 9s, ×2, ×2. How much is that? 20 cents profit, but at least we got our money back there. Okay, the Buffalo ×2, that's pretty good. If it just kept going, and kings. Incredible. Oh wow, that's it. It's going to give us a little extra animation for that. How much is that? 10 bucks at least? 13 bucks. Hey, don't short sell the Buffalo ×2, ×2 with the kings. This game's a lot less stressful than Mo Mummy. I'll say that, or Dragon Link or something, because that one it's overwhelming because there's a lot of stuff going on, but it's not like you're just depending on crazy bonus rounds or. I mean, you are, but like it keeps you playing a little bit longer. ×2. Okay. Oh. We haven't. Oh, yes. I was just gonna say we haven't super free games. Yes, super extreme. So we got number 1. We got number 2. Now, time to get this. Yeah. So this is on Pompeii now. So now we're gonna see a Pompeii bonus round. Whoa, 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 whoa. Things are happening, people. Whoa, green lightning. It looks like Power Rangers indeed. Yes. Okay. Oh, choose your feature. Okay, okay. So what would you do, people? 10 free games, 5x on reel 2 and 5x on. Oh wow.
I don't like the 10 one. I like the.
Really? I don't know. Cause I've seen a lot of people like. I wish it was just a mystery one, so we don't have to think about it. But middle one, I think that's what I was gonna do too. 15 with 3x. Okay, let's see what happens now. Did we make a mistake? Okay, oh, we can trigger free games too. That's crazy, okay. This music is awesome. I feel victorious. Oh, wow. So we can pop free games in here. That's pretty good. Dude, this music is very energetic and awesome. I like it. I wish it was giving us something. Yeah, I mean, if it pops the extreme free games, then we're good. Oh, there's 3 right there, right? Oh, yeah. Do it. Oh, that was a good spin to hit it on. Have we even got 1 line hit? Oh, wait, that's the first line hit, 90 cents. Pop the extreme free games and we'll be happy. Oh, we got it. Oh, no, Jacks. Jacks times 5 times 3. So that's what the multipliers were doing up there. If it was just a better symbol, but it's 15x Jacks, 4 of a kind.
What's so super about this?
Yeah. I mean, it gave us a chance for it to be super. You know? Let's see, I'm at 22. Okay, that's good. Do something like that again. Pop it. Oh, all right, how many? 11 of 15. Do it. I hope. I mean, if it pops at all, that's great. Let's get some more. Nothing is lining up over here. Oh, thank you. Our iced coffee is here. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Something line up here, please. Wow. So 10x. Huh. Maybe we should have picked the other one. So I've seen like you have the higher chance for crazy multipliers and stuff on that smaller amount of spins. Like that's the thing. Oh come on. Oh come on. Free games too now. I mean, we've gotten to play for like 10 minutes, 12 minutes, and we're still up money. That is not easy to do on many games. We have multiple line hits. Maybe it's heating up. Oh wow, okay. Some buffalo. That was good iced coffee. Yummy, yummy iced coffee. Oh, come on. We need to see the extreme free games now, right? It's okay. Super free games again. And if we get super free games, maybe we'll go to the other thing. The smaller amount of spins, but more multipliers. Bam, bam.
I like lots of spins.
You like lots of spins, or what if they're not paying anything? Like we just had like 15 spins with like 1 line hit. So I mean, we've had about 15 spins right now and have like a couple line hits, so it's kind of true to form. 5 cents, wowzers. Oh yeah. Oh no. 30 cents there. Nice work, queens times 2, 640.
I have like 5 more spins.
Yes. You hear that, machine? If you want our business anymore, if you want our business, you got to give Wifey a big bonus round. Here's a chance. So many of them. Only those 2 connected though. Okay. 10's over there. Oh my god.
I thought it was nothing.
Last spin, best spin. Oh, okay. Do we get one more? No, we do not. Okay, so that was fun. And now we're gonna try the machine next to us and see how it is. Yeah, this is the one I wanted to do originally, so let's go back to it. But yeah, thanks for watching, people. We'll be back very shortly on the next machine next to us. Jackpot time.